hematology. So what is hematology? So first, hematology comes from the Greek word hemas and logos. Hemas, what is the meaning of hemas? It means blood. And what is the meaning of logos? It means the science. So from this, we will have the idea that hematology now is the study or science of blood. So it's correct. Hematology is the study or science of blood. So to make it a little deeper, hematology now is the branch of biology concerned with the study of what? So first we have study of blood forming tissues and blood diseases. Hematology comes from the Greek word hemas, which means blood, and logos, which means science. So from combining these two, hematology is the study or science of blood. To make a deeper or a better definition of hematology, it is the branch of biology concerned with the study of blood, blood-forming tissues, and blood diseases. Next is, what is blood? What is blood? So blood now is a specialized, bodily fluid. It is a specialized bodily fluid that delivers necessary nutrients and oxygen to cells. So if they delivers necessary nutrients and oxygen to cells, they are also the one who transport metabolic waste away from the same cells. So blood is a specialized bodily fluid that delivers necessary nutrients and oxygen to cells and transport metabolic waste away from the same cells. So now we will move on to the function of blood. Now we will move on to the functions of blood. So what is my mnemonic to the functions of blood? I have the mnemonic G, T, T, drop. Just remember GTT drop. So we have number 1, G, T, T, drop. So we'll use the mnemonics GTT drop. Number 1, gas transport. Number 2, transport of nutritional substances. Number 3 is thermo regulation. Number 4 is detoxification. 5 is regulation of different processes. 6 is osmotic regulation or function. 7 is protective function. Functions of blood, we have GTT drop, gas transport, transport of nutritional substances, thermoregulation, detoxification, regulation of different processes, osmotic regulation or function, and protective function. So for 1, we have the gas transport. How does blood help to the gas transport in our body? By carrying oxygen from our lungs to the cells, and transporting carbon dioxide from our cells to the lungs. So, in short, our blood help in the gas transport through the process called respiration. So, blood, dadalhin niya ang oxygen na galing sa lungs sa cells natin or sa different organs din. After ma-use yun ng organs natin, ita-transport niya yung carbon dioxide, which is the waste product from our cells to the lungs. So, bakit niya yung dadalhin sa lungs? Para magkaroon ulit ng oxygen. So, first, blood carries oxygenated blood from the lungs into our cells and transport deoxygenated blood from the cells to our lungs. For the transport of nutritional substances, we have vitamins, amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose. Ito yung mga dinadala ni blood para sa nutrients na kailangan ng ating mga cells. And nagdadala din siya ng mga waste like urea, uric acid, and creatinine. So, this waste, ano siya? Kung mapapansin nyo, siya ay final products of metabolism sa kidney natin. So, yung mga waste na dinadala ni blood like urea, uric acid, and creatinine, yun ay na-excrete natin sa ating kidney, as you will see in our urine. So, blood creates and carries local hormones to target organs. Example, after a meal, insulin is secreted in our bloodstream. Then, ang insulin ay nasesecrete siya sa beta cells of our pancreas. So, from the pancreas, paano siya makakapunta kay liver, kay fat cells, at striated muscles? Makakapunta siya sa pamamagitan ng blood. So, yung blood yung nagdadala sa kanya kay liver cells, kay fat cells, and kay striated muscles. Bakit kailangan ni liver na pumunta dun sa liver cells, fat cells, and striated muscles? Para kung mataas ang glucose natin sa dugo, si liver, si fat, and si striated muscle, uutusan siya ni insulin na kuhanin yung glucose dun sa ating dugo para maging back sa normal. Ang liver, fat, and striated muscle, i-store niya si glucose as glycogen. And yung about sa insulin, mapag-aaralan siya more on the clinical chemistry. Thermoregulation. If it's too cold, blood vessels constrict. Meaning, lumiliit yung blood vessels natin. So, if maliligo ka sa Baguio without a heater, makikita mo yung ugat mo na numinipis. Bakit siya numinipis? Kasi, para mas kaunting blood yung mag-flow sa kanya to prevent heat loss. If it's too hot, blood vessels will dilate. Bakit? Para mas maraming blood yung mag-flow dun sa capillaries and more heat will be lost. So that's how the blood help in thermoregulation. Osmotic function, number 5. So it maintenance of what? Of osmotic pressure in our blood. Osmotic function is the maintenance of osmotic pressure in our blood. Protective function, we have our WBCs and antibodies. WBCs and antibodies. They will fight infection. So for example, we have infection. You can see if for example we have infection and the doctor will order now CBC kasi karamihan naman, kalimitan, lagi ang nasa request ng ating mga pasyente ay CBC para ma-assess kung anong nangyayari sa katawan. So, if we have infection, mag-order si doctor ng CBC, makikita nyo na if may infection, palagi yan, mataas yung WBC niya. And if it's a bacterial infection, WBC mataas and neutrophils. Bakit mataas yung WBC and neutrophils? Kasi ang blood natin, ang panlaban niya kay bacterial infection ang meron. So, ang panglaban niya kay bacteria is neutrophil. So, if we have infection, ang automatically, yung blood natin, sasabihin niya na kailangan mas maraming WBC na i-release para i-fight yung infection na yon. So, makikita niyo sa blood, parehas itong mataas. Bakit? Kasi sila yung panglaban sa bacterial infection. Detoxification, blood enzymes neutralizes different toxic substances. So, via the blood enzymes, sila naman yung merong role dito sa ating toxic substances.